no movement around here.
Okay, what you're doing now,
The repair work.
Here this afternoon to confirm the commitment that Julius Berger gave to us. We've been in talk with them. We are aware that these projects were all, I wouldn't say abandoned, but somehow, for lack of fund, the contractor withdrew from the site. So we've been discussing with them, and they gave me their word that although we have not finished all the discussion, but they will move into site, and I'm here to confirm that. Let me make this promise to our good people of Rivers State. This project that we started, by the special grace of God, we're going to complete it. Thank you.